Get ready for a revolutionary experience. In this video, we're bringing you the best of the best when it comes to eye care. Millions of people have already tried and tested these amazing massage and training methods, and now it's your turn. Don't just sit back and watch. Join in the fun. It's easy, it's beneficial, and it's for everyone. So let's get started and bring your vision to the next level. Exercise number 1. Blinking for 60 seconds. To blink correctly, simply close your eyelids gently and quickly so that they make contact with your eyeballs, and then open them again. So sit comfortably and let's begin. Blinking helps to improve eyesight in 4 ways. Moistening. Blinking spreads tears over the surface of the eye, which keeps it moist and reduces dryness and irritation, which are common causes of blurred vision. Cleansing. Blinking also helps to clear away dirt, dust, and other particles that might have accumulated on the surface of the eye, which can cause eye strain and impair vision. Relaxing. Blinking allows the eye muscles to rest, reducing eye fatigue and tension that can cause headaches and eye strain, and improving visual acuity. Refocusing. Blinking also helps to reset the eye's focus and improve visual perception, especially when reading or using a computer for extended periods of time. Great job! Exercise number 2. Head rotation while staring ahead. To perform this exercise correctly, follow these steps. Number 1. Stand or sit straight and look forward, focusing on an object straight ahead. Number 2. Slowly turn your head to the right, keeping your eyes focused on the object straight ahead. Number 3. Hold this position for a few seconds, and then slowly turn your head to the left, again keeping your eyes focused on the object straight ahead. Repeat this exercise several times, moving your head smoothly and slowly in each direction. The movement involved in this exercise helps to relieve eye strain, reduce eye fatigue and tension, and improve visual acuity. Rotating your head increases blood flow to the eyes, which can help to reduce eye strain and fatigue. Regularly performing this exercise can help to maintain good eye health and improve eyesight. Exercise number 3. Gaze slowly to your right and left. To perform this exercise, follow these steps. Number 1. Stand or sit straight and look forward, focusing on an object straight ahead. Number 2. Quickly shift your gaze to the right and hold it there for a few seconds. Number 3. Then take a full breath and shift your gaze to the left and hold it there for a few seconds. Repeat this exercise several times, shifting your gaze smoothly and quickly in each direction. The movement involved in this exercise helps to relieve eye strain, reduce eye fatigue and tension, and improve visual acuity. Quickly shifting your gaze increases blood flow to the eyes, which can help to reduce eye strain and fatigue. Exercise number 4 is eye relaxation. To perform eye relaxation, follow these steps. Number 1. Find a comfortable and quiet place to sit or lie down. Number 2. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Number 3. Focus on relaxing your entire body, starting from your feet and working your way up to your head. Number 4. Hold this position starting now. Breathing deeply and focusing on the sensation of relaxation. Exercise number 5, eye tracking. To perform the eye tracking exercise correctly, follow these steps. First, take a moment to focus your gaze from right to left for 5 seconds. This will help warm up your eye muscles. After that, look up and then down for another 5 seconds. This helps to stretch and strengthen your eye muscles. Now it's time to get a little creative. Move your eyes in a circular motion for 15 seconds. This can feel a little silly, but it's a great way to improve your eye coordination. Finally, it's time to draw a figure 8 with your eyes for 10 to 15 seconds. Don't rush. Take your time and make sure your movements are smooth and controlled. Exercise number 6 is eyelid squeeze. Here's a simple and effective way to improve your eyesight through the eyelid squeeze exercise. Start by closing your eyes tightly for 4 seconds. Make sure to squeeze your eyelids together to get the most benefit from this exercise. After holding your eyes closed for 4 seconds, open them wide. Now we will repeat this process 10 times. Open, 2, 3, close, 2, 3. By closing and opening your eyes, you can help to improve vision clarity. By regularly performing this exercise, you can improve your visual acuity and clarity, making it easier to see fine details and read small text. The next 2 exercises are from the acupressure technique. Acupressure is a traditional Chinese practice that involves applying manual pressure to specific points of the body to promote healing and wellness. Before we start, please note, the process should never hurt, and if you feel pain, stop immediately. Feeling lightheaded after the session is normal. Avoid applying pressure if your eyes feel swollen. Let's begin. Exercise number 7 is Cheng Chi acupressure massage. Start by using your index fingers to gently massage the area beneath your eyes towards the inner corners. As you massage, be mindful of the cartilage and gently lower your head slightly, avoiding looking up or straight ahead. This massage is targeting the Cheng Chi point and will help treat conditions such as conjunctivitis, redness, swelling, twitching, and eye pain. Use quick strokes back and forth to massage any small grains or balls you may feel beneath your fingertips. Repeat it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done! Exercise number 8 is massaging your temples. This place is connected with the eyes so that the lacrimal glands function well. There will be a good feeling right away. Start by locating the temples on either side of your forehead. Place the tips of your index and middle fingers on either temple. Apply gentle pressure to the temples using circular motions. Increase or decrease the pressure as needed, but avoid applying so much pressure that it causes discomfort. Continue massaging the temples for 30 seconds. This massage can also be done anytime, anywhere, to relieve stress, tension headaches, or migraines. Feel free to extend it to more than 30 seconds if you want to. Well done! Now let's move to exercise number 9, gazing geometric figure. Start by sitting comfortably with your eyes open. Focus your gaze on a blank wall or another plane surface. Using your eyes only, trace the outline of a triangle. Let's do it 5 times. Great! Now draw a big rectangle using your gaze. Let's do it 5 times. Great! The last and very important exercise, number 10, is the focus exercise. Get into a comfortable position, either sitting in a chair or standing in front of a plain wall. Hold your thumb about 10 inches away from your face and focus on it for 10 seconds. Now look at an object that is 5 to 10 feet away for another 10 seconds. Good job! The third step is to shift your focus to an object 10 to 20 feet away, keeping your head still and gaze at it for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, focus again on your thumb. Wow! Well done! Doing these 10 exercises will bring you amazing results in just 1 week. So why not keep doing it? We want to hear all about your experience. Share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Take care!